Good morning, everybody. Let's see what we're going to do today. Let's grab a piece of paper. Let's do blue. And let's do a one from Alina. Let's do this one. One right on top. Why not? Why not? We've done a goodly portion of her cards for deck number 1. Bulbly. So it looks like, let me zoom in a bit. We're going to do this. So it's going to come up, come like the hook, and a little loop. We're going to do that on this side, and then we're going to do it again on this side. That's going to be a challenge. And then we're going to do a little thing on the top, and then we can embellish in the middle. The thing on the top can be the pointy or the rounder, and they are in here. We will see what happens. See what happens. Zoom back out. Is that spot on my camera or on you guys? Oh, okay. It's just on my screen. Okay. Let's think. Let's have a think. How do I want to do this? Maybe I will do a V, and maybe I will put these guys coming kind of this way. Kind of that way. So when I do this shape, come up and around, up, up and around, up, like that. Something like that. Okay. Pen. What size pen do I want to draw with today? Let's draw with a number 2. Something like that. Something like that. All right, we're going to do something like that. And then we're going to do one here. I'm going to do a third one. Then that shape. Like that. Something like this. It's easier than I thought it would be. I thought I would have troubles with that shape, but not so much. All right, I like that. I'm going to put a few some things here. Just to kind of fill the space. Like that. Yeah, I like that. I'm going to put a brush. Where's my brush pen? Oh, who knows? Where'd my brush pen go? Brush. No, I was going to put it going that way, but I don't think I'm going to. I'm going to leave it like that. And then I'm going to get rid of all this pencil business. And then we're going to shade. This one definitely needs shading. Sharpen my pencil. And we're going to shade here where all of these kind of overlap like that. Something like that. And then this is overlapping that one. That's overlapping that one. That overlaps there. This overlaps here. That's overlapping that one. Okay. And then blendy blendy. Something like that. And then we definitely want some highlights on this blue paper. That. Yep. Yep. And my white pencil, wherever it ended up. Oh, Lord have mercy. There it is. Okay. That's it. That's a quick one. That was easier than I thought it would be. Bulbly. Bulbly. This way. I'm going to do it that way, I think. That way or this way? No, maybe that way. That's the way I drew it. I think I'm going to do it that way. All right, you guys have a great day. I will see you on the next video. We're back to 3 videos a week, so be watching out for that. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye. Have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, okay? Bye-bye.